Here's an example of using P-numbers. If we qualified a weld using these P-numbers on the PQR, P number 1 to P number 1, SA53 to SA36, and with no impact requirements, we're not doing the impact thing, and let's say we're using a E7018-1, which would be an F4A1, we can then weld any P number 1 material listed on table QW QB 422 to any other material listed on that table that has a P1. We get the whole deal. There's pages and pages and pages. So if we qualify P1 to P1 and there's no impacts, we get all of those P1 materials. We can mix and match to our heart's content. Once again, this is with no impacts required. If there's impacts, it's a game changer. But for just a garden variety welding procedure, we qualify our PQR, P1 to P1, we get them all. So you can see how useful this would be, and why ASME did this is to keep from having an infinite number of weld procedures required down to, maybe you can do it in a handful.
Here's a partial list of carbon steel materials that I found in ASME Section 9. If you go into QW 422 or whatever that ginormous list is with all the P numbers and materials, I pulled out a bunch of P1 materials. We could weld any of these to any other one. So it shows you the power of the P numbers and the versatility and why ASME Section 9 did this.